Hello students, rise and shine. Today is a science class. In today's class we will learn about changes. What kind of changes happening in our life, students? Today we will doing the chapter number 6, that is the changes around us. Students, it is and such an easy chapter. I assure you that you can understand this chapter if you video watch it till the end. Okay. Let's begin. Student, every day we see different types of changes around us. What kind of changes? Student, we can observe that day gradually change into night. The season change from winter to summer. In the field, the size of the crop change with the time. Okay? Then we can see changing in our body like weight, size, health is increases. Another change we can see a bird change in a flower, and we can see melting ice. This is change on state. Students, change is a continuous process. It is the law of nature. Change take place around us all the time. So let's take some example of the common changes. So students, now we want to know, can we group and classify these changes? Is there any similarity between these changes? Let's find out. Yes, can we classify these changes? They are classified as students. Students, yes, we can classify in two: reversible changes and irreversible changes. Now we learn about one by one. Student, firstly we learn about reversible changes. A reversible changes is a change that can be undone and reversed. So student, let's we take some examples. Okay, we take a balloon and influence the shape of size of the balloon has changed. Now let the air escape the balloon. What do we see? We see the balloon get back in the original shape. Students, take some amount of dough and make a ball. Try to ball out a chapati from it. Is it possible to change it back into a ball of dough again? Yes, it is can, because roll out chapati is a reversible changes. Student, now we take other example. Here we have ice cubes. We put on the burner for heating. After some time, these ice cubes change in a water. Further heating, the water change in vapor. These glass, when we put on the freezing for in the freeze, the water change in ice cube. So student, that is process changing in state. Student, now we have a paper. When we fold the paper, we can get paper boat and other lots of item. And from this paper boat we can get again the paper by the unfolding this paper. Okay, so students, evaporation and condensation is changes is here. Students, take water in kettle and place the kettle on gas burner. Wait for a few minutes till the steam come out freely from its mouth. Water is changed in vapor, that is a evaporation. Okay. Place a few ice cube on a frying pan, the holding like I show in here. You will notice that the steam condensation change in water droplets, and the water droplets trickle down the slide of frying pan and then starting falling down, that we collect in the water glass. Students, these changes a condensation, and now the glass we put in the freezer, this is a freezing, and the water again change in ice cubes. Okay. Students, we change in our body, that is, student, We all are born as a small baby. Then the body grows, weight increases, height increases, and we pass to all the stages of the life. Finally, we reach it at oldest stage. Our hair, nails also grows the time. That means we learn reversible changes that we can be reversed, and now we learn irreversible changes that we can't be reversed. Students, we have a let's we take some students, here we have some more examples. Look at on the mood changes that can be reversed or not. Student, let's we try baking an egg and beaten it from an omelette. Let's try to fry this beaten egg on frying pan. Can we now get the original egg back? Would you like to apple? Students, let's cut an apple into 4 pieces. After cutting this apple, we can get this back the whole apple? No, never. So students, these are changes, don't be reversed. So that our changes is called irreversible changes. So student, we get other example is here. We get orange juice from oranges. Can we oranges get back from orange juice? No, never. We get milk from curd. Can we get again curd from milk? No, never. We have some ingredient and we cook them, and we after cook them we can get back the ingredient, original ingredient? No. So student, that is the irreversible changes. Okay. So student, we learn the changes, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Thank you.